Sheet Metal?
M&M Sheet Metal fabricates many different items. We're very diversified in what we do. We don't specifically do one thing. Guarding for hospitals, libraries, airports, wall guards, corner guards, that sort of thing. Pretty much anything and everything. If you can think about it, we can probably make it.
It's a very diverse field. It's not just nailed down to one thing. We get involved in a lot of unique projects. Some of it can become monotonous a little bit, but instead of going to work and looking at the exact same thing every day, day in and day out, it kind of makes things fresh more often than not.
Wow!
We make a lot of different stuff, so it keeps you going. You're not doing the same thing every day. The repetitiveness drives you crazy sometimes, so we make a lot of stuff and it keeps you going.